The legal drinking age for alcohol varies widely around the world, ranging from the most liberal European countries, where there is no age limit, to those countries that ban alcohol completely. While it's illegal to sell alcohol to anyone under the age of 21 in the United States, U.S. public health officials are concerned about alcohol use among adolescents. U.S. government studies show that the average age when a teenager first has an alcoholic drink is 14. The studies show that teenagers between 12 and 17 are more likely to engage in underage drinking and drug use when their fathers drink alcohol. Admiral Peter Delaney says underage drinking has grown significantly in the last 30 years.
When parents use alcohol or when they use it in a problematic way, it significantly impacts the way that kids use.
Admiral Delaney pulled together data of 9,000 fathers and their teenage children. The data shows something surprising, that teenagers are also more likely to drink alcoholic beverages even if the fathers do not have a drinking disorder.
There was not a significant difference between whether parents used alcohol or whether they had an alcohol use disorder, but it was significantly different than when parents didn't use alcohol.
Teens living with fathers who abstain from alcohol completely are less likely to drink. For fathers who drink moderately, Admiral Delaney says the goal is not to persuade the fathers from drinking, but to get them to talk to their children about alcohol use.
The issue here is if you're going to be a role model for your child, especially in the adolescent years where we know there's a lot of other pressures coming into their lives, what you want to do is make sure that you're talking to your child. And if you have an alcohol use disorder, get help.
A parent's alcohol use also seems to increase chances that teenage children will use illegal drugs. A father who has more than 2 alcoholic drinks a day raises the odds of drug abuse by his children. Admiral Delaney says both parents can help their children by making it clear from a very early age that they do not approve of them drinking illegally or using drugs. Carol Pearson, VOA News.